Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a UX designer. I give Figma a 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. We also considered using Sketch, but Sketch has issues when it comes to version control and collaborators working on the same file at the same time, as well as sharing prototypes. We chose Figma because it has some excellent collaboration tools like being able to share links to your design files or your design prototypes. And it really is an all-in-one tool. You can do low fidelity designs, high fidelity designs. You can bring your designs to life with animation and some really nice prototyping tools as well. Figma is super user-friendly, so it's really easy to pick up. Also, if you're using some of the more advanced features, they have really helpful documentation and tutorial videos. One thing I would think about is the current tools that you're using and how Figma might be able to replace or improve upon those tools, because Figma is really an all-in-one tool. You can do low fidelity exploration from diagramming and user flows to high fidelity mockups to pretty decent animated prototypes and even to engineering handoff as well. So just think about where it makes sense to fit into your existing suite of tools.